Hello, Starberters. I've got to be a little bit quieter. It's Callum Gamer here, and it's 2:30 in the morning, but I thought I'd do something stupid and fun. So here we go. My uncle sent me some stuff from... Oh, never mind, forget that. Anyway, my uncle sent me some stuff from where he lives. So I'm gonna try in Holland. So I'm gonna try it. It's a microwavable 2 pots. One of them's chili, Cajun sauce, and the other one is rice and chicken that you microwave. So I'm gonna try some of this, and apparently my uncle said don't eat it unless you don't like hot food. Wait, what? Eat eat it if you like hot food. That's what I meant to say. Derpity derp. But yeah, so I'm gonna eat it, but it's just covered in chili. Like, here's some of the rice. Like, it's pure red. But yeah, it's piping hot, which won't help. But here we go. We can see bits of chili in it. I don't like hot food. Tastes alright. Tastes like plain old rice and chicken. It's quite hot. Ooh. My throat. Jeez. Look, there's like bits of chili in it. Second mouthful. That's hot. Oh, it's like eating a Bombay Bad Boy pot noodle. My eyes are watering. Like, the chicken is in the sauce, and you're supposed to pour it over the rice, and that's what I did, but I poured all of it over. The chicken's just red in colour. It's coated in the orangey red stuff. That's hot. Oh god, that's hot. That's really hot. Oh, I need a drink. No, I'll swallow it. Oh, Jesus. I love Iron Brew. Drink of Scotland. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. And when I mean that's hot, my leg's itchy. When I mean that's hot, Jesus. My eyes are streaming. Oh, I'm not eating any more of that, and there's a crap ton left, look. I ain't eating any more of that. Oh jeez, that's hot. Oh. I'll have one more mouthful. It's too hot. My throat is dying. It's like eating like 20 jalapenos and just going. That's so hot. On my throat. Oh my god. Jesus. Should got some ice or milk. It's so hot, I don't know if you can see, but my eyes are like streaming with water. I just poked my eye and there's chili. Oh. Ow. Oh, that's hot. Jesus Christ. Okay, I'm gonna stop the video there. And yeah, well, that was stupid. Right, see you later, exterminators. Don't forget to hit. Okay. It's so hot. That's nuts. Don't forget to hit. Oh, forget it. Oh, Jesus. Don't forget to smack the like button in the face and show it who's the boss. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Okay, exterminators, I've calmed down a little bit from my hot chili casserole or whatever it was. I think it's a casserole on it. But yeah, I still feel ill. Still burning my throat. The mouth heat's gone away, but Jesus, that was hot. Like, wow. That was like literally eating like 20 jalapenos, and I've eaten 4 jalapenos before when my mum's Chinese came to the house. She got ribs and it was covered in a jalapeno sauce, and there was pieces of jalapeno, and there was 4 big bits, and me and my friends, they all ate 4 each. There was a lot, it was like covered in pieces, and we ate 4 bits each, and that was burning hot. That made your eyes water, but it's the second worst thing. Jesus. Right, well, see you in the next video. Bye bye.